Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to choose between route options and Waze. So Waze can provide multiple route options when you enter a destination. Comparing these options can help you choose the route that best suits your trip. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze and enter your destination. So you will need to tap on the search bar below and then just select your destination. So for example, you'll go with that one. So here you will be able automatically to view the available routes or different routes that displayed on the map, and compare the estimated travel time, distance, and traffic conditions for each route. So for example, we have 30 minutes for this route, for 35 for the one at the middle or in the middle, and 38 for this one at the top. All right. And just look for information about tolls, highways, or other road restrictions that may apply. Then just tap the route you prefer to select. So for example, you can select any routes you want. So for example, you'll go with that one. And then just go with go now, right? So once you tap on the route you prefer to select it, go with go now, and that's only to start navigation using your chosen route, right? So keep in mind that Waze continuously monitors traffic and road conditions. Even after selecting route, the app may suggest a different route if it determines that another option can save you time. So if you prefer to avoid certain types of roads, you can also adjust your navigation settings before starting your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.